I am praying the prayer at night. Pray with me with the deepest devotion of your souls. With closed eyes, I sit in the temple of night and worship thee. The sunlight, revealing a million alluring things, has vanished. One by one, I have closed the doors of my senses, lest the fragrance of the rose or the song of the nightingale distract my love from thee. I am alone in this dark, dark temple. I have left everything, but where art thou? Darkness is haunting, but unafraid I am groping, seeking, crying for thee. Wilt thou leave me alone? Come, show thyself. The door of my memory swings open. Throbbingly thrilled, my heart looks for thee, but I find thee not. Halt, ye throng of a million thoughts and experiences past. Come not in my sacred temple. I close the bursting, thought-pressed door and run everywhere to find thee. Where art thou? Darkness deepens, and as I sit still in anguish of despair, I behold a little taper of concentration burning within me. I stand up and madly rush through the dimly lighted temple. The farther I go, the deeper grows the gloom. I clasp the empty darkness in hope of seizing thee. Finding thee not, I return again and see the taper dimly burning. I sing outwardly a loud prayer. My large teardrops and my strong gusts of prayers almost extinguish the taper. I will pray no more with words, nor rush or run about in the temple of Stygian darkness, nor drown the taper with my tears. I will sit still and command my breath to make no sound. I rebuke my boisterous love for thee. The taper of meditation burns brighter now. Oh, how maddening! I cannot worship thee with words, but only with wistful yearning. Brighter the light grows. I behold thee now. Thou art I worship thee. As night hides everything, I will worship thee in hidden silence. I am glad with the joy of all minds. I will use the screen of the night to hide myself from the tempting things of the day. O night, when I am worried, throw thy veil of silent darkness around me. Create a dark temple for me wherever I go, that I may invoke and call him whom I love, my beloved, at any time, anywhere, everywhere.